All right, I want to show you how this Fiskar tree trimmer works. First of all, on this end, you've got to tie this little knot in there. I've got like a half hitch in it. Then it runs around this pulley down here. It comes back up and it goes around this pulley. And that gives you the leverage so that you can, when you pull on it, what happens is you see this spring right here? This spring is what gives it its torque, right? And when I pull on this, you see how this is pulling through that pulley? It brings up this blade and it cuts right through what you're trying to cut through, which is a limb, just like that. Chop! And so you just pull on it like that. Now, to get it to expand, you've got to pop off this cuff, and then you have to push the bottom of this, and it moves up. And then once you get it to where you want it, you close it, and then it's kind of locked in there. To get it back, you got to take the cuff off, squeeze it, and then pull it back down. And that's basically how it works. Chop, chop. And if you want, you can saw with that. But if you want to cut, you've got to pull on this. See how it does it? And then it just cuts right through the branch, just like that. That's basically how it works. This has two different areas where you can expand it, so it goes up to 16 feet. So it's a pretty good size one. You know what I mean, jelly beans? So let's go cut some tree limbs. That's what we're gonna do. All right, to show you how this works, I'm just gonna cut this one little piece right here. And I just gotta get it inside there like that. And then when you pull on this, what happens is it brings that blade up, right? And so if I pull on it, it should just cut it right in two. And bam, it did. There it is. So that's how simple it is. And then to release it, you just let go of this. And bam, Bob's your uncle. That's basically how you do it. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos and stuff like this. Peace out.